In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Eventbrite. Eventbrite is a fantastic app that lets you discover events, buy tickets, and manage your bookings effortlessly. It's available for both Android and iPhone users, and the best part is it's completely free. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, this means heading over to the Google Play Store. And if you have an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open the App Store. This is where you'll find all the apps you can download, including Eventbrite. It's important to use the official app stores to ensure you get the latest and most secure versions of any app. Once your App Store is open, the next step is to search for Eventbrite. In the search bar, type the word Eventbrite. Make sure to check that you're looking for the official app developed by Eventbrite Inc. This little detail is crucial because it ensures you're downloading the legitimate app, which is secure and reliable. Look for the app that has the recognizable Eventbrite logo. Now, after you've found the official Eventbrite app, it's time to install it. On Android, you'll tap the Install button, and if you're on an iPhone or iPad, you'll tap the Get button. Once you do this, the download process will begin. You might see a progress bar indicating the download status. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection, but don't worry, it'll be worth the wait. Once the app has finished downloading, you're almost there. The next step is to open the app. Simply tap Open to launch Eventbrite for the first time. This is where the real fun begins. You'll be greeted by the app's welcome screen, inviting you to explore all the events it has to offer. After opening the app, you'll need to sign in or create a new account if you don't already have one. This is important because having an account allows you to track your bookings and receive personalized event recommendations. You can sign in with an email or use a social media account for convenience. Once you've logged in, you're all set to start discovering events that match your interests. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded and set up the Eventbrite app on your device. Now you can explore a world of events, purchase tickets, and manage your bookings all in one place. Remember, having the app installed makes it easier to keep track of your event experiences and ensure you never miss out on an exciting opportunity. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it easy to understand and that you're now ready to enjoy everything Eventbrite has to offer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Enjoy exploring all the incredible events out there.